Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0 TDI SEL DSG, which is a diesel automatic. This vehicle is ULEZ compliant and is finished in deep black pearl effect paint. To start off with, then, you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 19-inch Victoria spoke alloy wheels with a silver finish, really complementing against the deep black pearl exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to your boot space, you have a large amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the lounge cloth and art velours microfleece upholstery in Titan black. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and once again you can find that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls, along with your buttons to change your information panel, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at your digital dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 29,031 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with this, you also have Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations, along with Apple Carplay and Android Auto, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps or just listen to your own music. And you also have front and rear parking sensors, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. Moving on to your climate control, you can find you've got a dual zone climate, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have. This has been a presentation on a Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0 TDI SEL DSG that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.